Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Everyone likes to stay with Iman. Iman is the blessings of Allah and it is the most precious thing in us. If we are leaving this world with Iman, mashallah, the door of success in the other world will be open for us. So Iman is the main thing that creates good deeds. So if you have good deeds, but if you have no Iman, then your good deeds, they have no value. They will be wasted. They will not have any reward at the day of judgment. But if you have Iman, then your good deeds, they will have more weight, and mashallah you will get the Allah's full blessings. And we request Allah to keep our Iman in us in a favorite way, make it the most favorite for us, and keep it with full decorum in our heart, so that we should have Iman every time, and also produce in us hatred for the sinful or evil practices. And if you keep us in this world alive, please keep us in the state of Islam. And if you make us to leave this world, then make us to live in the state of Islam and Iman, and make us to connect with the people who are Salihin. MashaAllah, if this dua we will try, we will get the more reward with Allah. This dua is the excellent request before Allah. MashaAllah, we read this dua now. Allahumma habbib ilayna al-imana wa zayyanahu fi qulubina wa karrihu ilayna al-kufra wal-fasuqa wal-isyan waj'alna min ar-rashidin. Allahumma tawaffana muslimin wa ahyina muslimin wa alhiqna bis salihin ghayra khazaya wala maftunin. Allahumma habbib ilayna al-imana وزينه في قلوبنا وكرهه إلينا الكفر والفسوق والإسيان واجعلنا من الراشدين. اللهم توفنا مسلمين وأحينا مسلمين وألحقنا بالصالحين غير خزايا ولا مفتونين. We read one time more. اللهم حبب إلينا الإيمان وزينه في قلوبنا وكرهه إلينا الكفر والفسوق والعصيان واجعلنا من الراشدين. اللهم توفنا مسلمين وأحينا مسلمين وألحقنا بالصالحين غير خزايا ولا مفتونين. اللهم حبب إلينا الإيمان. O Allah, make our Iman the most favorite for us. وَزَيَّنَهُ فِي قَلُوبِنَا, and keep this one, and please keep it in our hearts with full decorum. وَكَرِّهُ إِلَيْنَا الْكُفْرَ وَالْفَسُوقَ وَالْإِسْيَانَ, and produce or create in us full hatred for kufr, fisk, and isyan, evil practices. وَجْعَلْنَا مِنَ الرَّاشِدِينَ, and make us to stay in this life at the right way, the straight path. So guide us the straight path. Allahumma tawaffana muslimin. O Allah, if you want to make us to die, so give death in the state of Islam. We should be Muslim. Wa ahayina muslimin. And if you make us to alive, then make us to alive as a Muslim. Wa alhiqna bis salihin, and enjoin or connect us with salihin. غَيْرَ خَزَايَا وَلَا مَفْتُونِينَ, so that we should have no disrespect and should not have connected in fitna. So we should be complete with the salihin, without fitna, without disrespect. So Alhamdulillah, this dua is excellent. We read one time more. Allahumma habbib ilayna al-imana wa zayyanahu fi qulubina wa karrihu ilayna al-kufra wal fasuqa wal isyan waj'alna min ar-rashidin. Allahumma tawaffana muslimin wa ahyina muslimin wa alhiqna bis salihin ghayra khazaya wala maftunin. O Allah, make our Iman an entire love for us and keep it in our hearts with full decorum, and create in us full hatred for kufr, fisk, and evil practices. Guide us the straight way. O Allah, give us death as a Muslim and make us alive as a Muslim, and connect us with Salihin, the good doer people, in the state that we should not be with disrespect and we should not be connected with fitna. So you have to make us in a pure state with the Salihin. MashaAllah, this dua is excellent. We should request Allah this dua at least one time a day in order to get blessings of Allah for this world and the world hereafter. Allah give us tawfiq. Ameen.